It is 11 p.m. and your phone is ringing with a hot lead who just saw your listing, but you are already asleep. What happens to that lead by morning? Most real estate agents and small business owners lose those after-hours inquiries forever because no one was there to respond in the first 5 minutes when interest is highest. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to use Claude AI to build a system that handles every missed call and after-hours inquiry automatically, so no lead ever goes cold again. Here is how the system works. When someone calls after hours and you cannot answer, Claude AI drafts a personalized follow-up text or email response within seconds using the information they left. You give Claude a simple prompt template like this one. You tell it the caller's name, what they asked about, and what property or service they mentioned. And Claude writes a warm, specific response that sounds completely human. For example, you might type into Claude, "A prospect named Maria called at 10 p.m. asking about the 3-bedroom listing on Maple Street and wants to know if it is still available and what the HOA fees are." Then ask Claude to write a follow-up text. Claude instantly produces a warm reply that confirms the property is still available, gives a brief answer about fees, and invites Maria to schedule a showing tomorrow, all personalized with her name and her exact question. You can also have Claude create a library of after-hours response templates for the most common inquiry types you receive, so your team or your virtual assistant can send professional replies in under 60 seconds any time of day. The agents and business owners using this workflow are responding to leads faster than their competitors, building trust immediately, and converting inquiries that used to disappear into closed deals and loyal clients. Start with just one prompt template this week and watch how quickly your response rate improves. If you would like my free guide, just comment Claude and I will send it right to you.